Hi guys, this is Tim from PencilPay. Thanks so much for joining me. I just wanted to take 5 minutes to quickly run you through the new PencilPay and Dear Systems integration. So the whole idea of PencilPay is for you to be able to onboard a new customer or an existing customer using an online credit application in around about 2 minutes. And for all the data from that credit application to be able to populate Dear Systems when you onboard and when you approve that customer. All right, so the way that we get started is we always start by setting our trading terms. Now you'll see here, if I just lift my head up, these two trading terms have actually come across from Dear Systems. All right, now we've got 30 days in prepaid. We can set our payment methods that we can accept. You can also set the information that you need as part of every application. Okay, so once you've done that, then you can actually design the forms. So you'll see here, this is what the forms look like at the bottom. Looks fine to me, and then I can change the fonts or button colors or any of the other little items as part of that. Then all I'll do is embed the forms up on my website, and so they'll look something like this. You'll see here that this is my wholesale page, just a fake wholesale page, and you'll see that there's a set of forms. I've just entered my ABN this is me as a customer, and I'll hit search. Now that'll connect in with ASIC. We've got a pre-configured ASIC integration, and it'll pull out the correct company information. All right. Then the customer can just move through and complete the forms. Again, that process takes about 2 to 3 minutes if you're doing it from afresh, but there's a much faster way to go about it. So that faster way starts with you guys. So what you'll do is you'll go to your customer list. Now you'll see here that I've got Your Company Proprietary Limited, and you'll see that I've already sent them an email. To send them an email, you simply would just click on these little 3 dots and send that off, okay? But what I've done just to pre-prepare for this and make it a bit faster for you is I've already sent that off. Now, I'm going into the email address that I've got. You'll see here, Your Company Proprietary Limited account application. And you'll see here, I'll click on the form. Now, great, okay, there we go. So we've got your company with the ABN, etc. Now, what I'm gonna do, because this is an existing customer, it's got all of the information pre-filled, but you can go in there and pre-fill it for the customer just to speed things along for them if you like. Now I'll scoot through. You'll see that I've got 30-day trading terms here and a $10,000 credit limit, okay? And then I've got all of the director's information in here and my credit card details. So I just have to finish off the last 3 digits. And then it obviously asks me for a personal guarantee. Will one of your directors act as personal guarantor? We'll say yes, and then it'll pull the information from the director that was listed before. And it's simply a matter of scrolling through here, confirming and agreeing. So I'll just type in this to match up the existing text and submit. All right, so that process to onboard a customer via a credit application probably took the customer about 45 to 60 seconds or thereabouts. Now what I want to do is I want to go back to here. You'll see how it's got the status of emails sent. Okay, great. Now that I've updated that, it says Your Company Proprietary Limited, and you'll see there that it says all signed. Okay, now what I'm going to do just quickly here is I'm going to review it. I can just scroll through here and have a little review, make sure that everything's in there, make sure that I've got my the credit card. You'll see it's encrypted, and we store that in our platform so you can auto bill the customer. Again, if you don't want to collect a credit card, you don't have to. The customer can just sign up on account. Then you get your signature, date stamp, timestamp, IP address, etc. And this also gets sent off to the customer as well, so you don't have to send them back any forms, so they've got their copy. And then you just simply approve. And then once you approve, what happens is all the data from that application form fills into both your accounting as well as Dear Systems. So whether you use Xero or QuickBooks, as well as Dear Systems, that record is available in full in those systems, and the customer can place their first order. Thanks for the time, guys. Appreciate it. If you want to learn any more, please feel free to book me in the link in the email, and look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks.